In the frozen realms of Minnesota's north, where lakes lie still as glassy eyes in woe, there stands a hall yclept the quality Learing Center. A name that twists the tongue and mocks the ear, as if some scribe, in haste or merry jest, didst drop the in from learning, leaving Learing bare. O Lear, thou ancient king of brittle throne, divided realms and daughters false as wind, how like thy tragedy this modern stage. A center vowed to nurture tender minds, yet empty halls echo with no child's laugh, whilst coffers swell with gold from public purse. Millions bestowed, yet naught of wisdom taught. And hark, the fool doth caper in the tale, that motley knave with bells and biting truth, who alone spake plain when courtiers lied. So here, a jester bold in daylight hours, doth venture forth with lens and fearless quip, to knock upon the door of this false school, and cry, where be the babes? Where be the law? The guardians shriek and bar the gate in fear, mistaking truth for tempest at the door. Alas, poor Lear, thy storm upon the heath finds echo in this northern comedy grim. Blind rulers portion out their kingdom's wealth to shadows and to signs misspelled in haste. The fool yet laughs, though bitterly he weeps, for folly reigns where quality is feigned, and nothing learned but how the mighty fall. Blow, winds, and crack your cheeks. Rage on, ye snows. The play endures, though actors change the scene.